Om Swastiastu. Good morning to my honorable teacher and other audiences. Here with me, Kadek Mila Novita Kumala Astagina, number 11 from 12th Science 1. So today I gonna deliver my explanation text entitled How Does Chameleon Change Color? Chameleons are famous for their quick color changing abilities. It's a common misconception that they do this to camouflage themselves against a background. In fact, chameleons mostly change color to regulate their temperatures or to signal their intention to other chameleons. Since chameleons can generate their own body heat, changing the color of their skin is a way to maintain a favorable body temperature. A cold chameleon might become dark to absorb more heat, whereas a hotter chameleon might turn pale to reflect the sun's heat. Chameleon will also use both color changes to communicate. Male will become bright to signal their dominance and turn dark in aggressive encounters. Females can let males know if they are willing to mate by changing the color of their skin. Owners of chameleons can learn to read their pet's mood based on the colors of its skin. So, how do they pull off these colorful changes? The outermost layer of the chameleon's skin is transparent. Beneath this are several more layers of skin that contain specialized cells called chromatophores. The chromatophores at each level are filled with stalks of different kinds of pigment. The deepest layer contains melanophores, which are filled with brown melanin, the same pigment that gives human skin its many shades. Atop that layer are cells called iridophores, which have a blue pigment that reflect blue and white light. Layered on top of those cells are the xanthophores and erythophores, which contain yellow and red pigments respectively. Normally, the pigments are locked away inside tiny sacs within the cells, but when chameleons experience changes in body temperatures or mood, its nervous system tells specific chromatophores to expand and contract. This changes the color of the cell. By varying the activities of different chromatophores in all the layers of the skin, the chameleon can produce a whole variety of colors and patterns. For instance, an excited chameleon might turn red by fully expanding all his erythrophores, blocking out the other color beneath them. A calm chameleon, on the other hand, might turn green by contracting his erythrophores and allowing some of the blue reflected light from his iridophores to mix with his layer of somewhat contracted yellow xanthophores. With these layers of cells, some chameleons are capable to producing a dazzling array of red, pinks, yellows, blues, green, and browns. This bold statement won't help them blend into the background, but they will allow them to get their message across the other chameleon loud and clear. Okay, that's all about my explanation text. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.